Hi friends, this is Chaya Grossberg. I'm here to talk to those who are in psychiatric drug withdrawal. I'm here to tell you that I see you. I see how absolutely awful the withdrawal is. I hear you. I hear that the symptoms you're experiencing are so unbearable. I've been through this myself. I know how unbearable they are, and I know that for some people they're even more unbearable than they were for me. There's so many hopeful messages out there, so many people, psychiatric survivors who want to come back and give everybody a hopeful message, but this isn't going to be a hopeful message. This is just a message of saying, I see you, I acknowledge you, I witness you, I know that it is awful. It is absolutely awful to be debilitated by a drug that you were told was a medication that would help you. I see you out in the world, I see you feeling half alive, I see you, your face kind of glossed over. I recognize myself in that because I went through something similar when I was on 7 different psychiatric pharmaceuticals at the age of 21. It's really frustrating. What I'm trying to do in the world is really frustrating. I work with individuals and families and people who are working to come off psychiatric drugs or hoping to, and the obstacles they face are huge. They are huge. People don't have enough money to afford any kind of alternative health care. People are struggling with being on multiple different drugs with doctors who never told them about the withdrawal effects, the problematic health effects, and people who are desperate. They are desperate to come off of these drugs, desperate, and it's taking so much longer than feels tolerable. I just want to say I'm really angry about this for you. Maybe you're angry, or maybe you don't even have the energy to be angry right now. I know what that's like, and I'm so sorry that our medical system has done this to you. It's not okay. It is absolutely not okay. It's not okay for me to see so many people on these drugs. It's not okay for you if you're on them. I'm not saying that means you should go off cold turkey or that you should do anything drastic. I'm more just presenting a witnessing of what you're going through and an acknowledgement. There are a lot of strategies and tips out there that are really helpful, and sometimes we just need to acknowledge that what's going on in the psychiatric system is absolutely unacceptable. People's health is being destroyed constantly by these drugs. Constantly. I see them in droves. They're coming towards me. They're commenting. They're emailing me. I see them in Facebook groups. I see them in blog comments. I see them when I go out in the world, when I facilitate support groups or go to support groups or go to events. I see you guys. I see that this chemical lobotomy is hurting you in such profound ways. It's taking your spirit away. It's taking your capacity to think away. You're aware of this, some of you aren't. I just want you to know that a huge injustice is being done to you. It's hugely not fair. And I'm really, really, truly sorry that our world is this way. I'm sending you the strength and the courage to continue on the journey. As hard as it is, it does get better when you get off. When you gradually come off, life does get better for many of us. I know many people who have come off successfully, and life has gotten amazingly better. It doesn't mean it's perfect. It doesn't mean you'll always be happy, but it means you'll be yourself. You will feel yourself in your body, solid. You'll know what you think. You'll know what's true and what isn't. You'll know how you feel. And you'll feel a sense of freedom. I'm really sorry that it's going to take a long time for so many of you. It's not okay that it has to take that long. It's really awful. There's a time for patience. But I think there's also a part of us that needs to insist and assert that this is not fair and it's not okay. So I'm here to assert that for you if you're not able to for yourself. And I continue to wish you a successful withdrawal and the recovering of your full self.